How to recover Gmail password. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then search for Gmail recovery. Now enter your Gmail account and then tap on next. Now you will get an option of forgot password. Tap on it. After that, a recovery email link will be sent to your email account that you have used as a recovery email, or if you have used a phone number, the recovery link will be sent to that phone number. Simply use that code and then you will be able to recover your Gmail password. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.